When we're struggling with addictions, it sometimes can impact how we view ourselves, kind of that self-image, and it also impacts our confidence. And so I know that can be a very vicious cycle. Do you have any insight into that, or how that can really impact, and how strengthening confidence levels might actually help people live porn free?
Absolutely. Teaching and talking about self-confidence is one of the things that I enjoy more than anything, because I think it's closely tied to those belief systems. And this is something that I got from a mentor of mine. I believe self-confidence is built and kept by keeping the promises you make to yourself. If you're struggling with your confidence in a certain area, look at, once again, your actions. I'm going to take it all back to what it is we're doing. Are our actions aligned with what we're saying? If we want something really, really bad and we set out on this plan, but every time we say we're going to do it, we let ourselves down. And I think one of the greatest examples that I use is the alarm clock. Like, how many men that are struggling with pornography hit snooze in the morning once, twice, three, four times? Our men don't hit snooze. I haven't hit snooze in 5 years, because if we believe that self-confidence is built and kept by keeping the promises you make to yourself, what's the first promise that you make to yourself every single day? What time you're going to wake up. You set the alarm. Whether you set the alarm because there's an external circumstance, like I got to be to work at this time, you still chose to set the alarm. So you made that promise. And when you hit snooze, it's a knock to your confidence at a subconscious level that Sam doesn't do the things that he says he's going to do, or Frank doesn't do the things that he says he's going to do. So why, if that is how I'm starting my day, why would, when the trigger comes at 10 o'clock at night after a long, stressful day, and I know what I'm supposed to do, but my subconscious is operating at this level, well, like, you don't really do the things you say you're going to do anyways. So I think self-confidence is one of the quickest things that we can develop by making a plan, by keeping our promises, and by stacking wins. So wake up. When the alarm clock goes off, wake up, make your bed, acknowledge yourself for doing things. Have a prayer practice, have a meditation practice, have a gratitude practice. There's a lot of little things that you can do.